Hello everybody, hey, here's my latest commission, a golden pheasant. Now I know I always say this is my best effort, but I really do. This time, I really do think this is something of a masterpiece, and I hope you agree. This tail is the longest piece of glass I can fire diagonally in this, my big kiln. Lots of Marini in it, as you can see. The flowers are peonies. He's looking magnificent. The golden pheasant is actually quite a shy bird, believe it or not. We have them locally in the bird park here. I'm going to go on Thursday because I want to do some research for some more. I like this so much, I'm going to make a Reeves pheasant. Anyway, it's for a wedding anniversary, so there was a deadline. Some of my friends don't like the deadlines and say, oh, I don't like commissions because of that. I love it. I love the excitement of having a date that you've got to be ready by. The client loves it. It's a surprise for his wife. Let's hope she loves it too. Anyway, we've got a verse as always, which I hope helps to enhance the mosaic. And it goes like this. Golden pheasant in the peonies. A favourite flower for you and me is Pianola lactiflora, or peony. And sitting amongst them is really rather pleasant, especially if you're a golden pheasant.